I think first of all is just to thank the players who have put in the shift. Um, it has not been easy in terms of our preps leading up to Olympics. If you look at the last 4 years, there's been a lot of changes in the technical bench, and I think that is very tough for the players in terms of preparations. But just to improve on the performance of 2016 is a big plus, and it's a good way to now benchmark in terms of this Olympics is another level. If we really want to compete, then our preparations must be predictable in terms of how we prepare, and the journey must be predictable so that the players can put in the work in terms of preparation.
It was nice being here despite the losses, but I thank God to be here, and we have won at least 2 games here. Yeah, despite that performance, I think from the last Olympics we were number 12, this time we're number 9. What positive should I take home is like, I'm grown, I've learned from here. I think I can focus on the next Olympics.